Hi everyone. I am not wearing my mask now. I'm outside the Staatsgalerie rail station. I want to show you the original Staatsgalerie. Well, I can't see it from here. Oh, there's that pedestrian walkway that I heard about. So here, this is a BA21. This is one of the 21, 22, and 23. I'm not really sure which one is what, but I know it's one of these. So I don't need to go looking for the Bauabschnitt. But here's the newest. That's not it. It's this one over here. So if you go down there, you can probably see Staatsgalerie. The original station was around here somewhere, and you can imagine the tracks where the U-14 used to go. They'd be kind of like under here, more or less. But right here would be like the location of the original Staatsgalerie, but it's been moved over just right over there, like where we just got out. And I just saw the pedestrian walkway where you can see the Stadtbahn being built. I guess we won't need to go there today because we found it.